Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna with PayPal. Let's get into it. First, open your shopping app. Open the Klarna app on your mobile phone. Tap on the search bar or pick the store where you want to buy your items, because you need the app to create a special, temporary card for your purchase. You have to start here so the app can track how much money you want to spend. Without this step, you would just be shopping normally and wouldn't be able to split the cost into smaller parts. Next, get a one-time card. You need to tell the app to give you a temporary digital card that holds the exact amount of money you need for your shopping bag. Click the Pay button at the bottom of the screen to create a one-time card. Type in the amount of money your items cost and follow the steps on the screen to confirm. It gives you a temporary card number, a date, and a 3-digit safety code. By getting this card, you are turning your payment plan into a regular digital card that other websites can read. It ensures you have a number ready to use in the next step. Next, add the card to your PayPal wallet. Open your PayPal app, go to your wallet section, and click on Link a Card. Type in the temporary card numbers, the date, and the safety code you just got from the other app, because it bridges the two apps together. By adding the temporary card to your wallet, you are telling the wallet app to use your payment plan to pay for things. It is the key step to getting the right output so you can use both systems at the same time. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.